My ultimate favorite Indian curry dish. I'm going to do my own version of this and make a wood-fired chicken vindaloo. And the ingredients you'll need for that are as follows. 1 whole chicken, ginger, cardamom pods, turmeric, cumin, garlic, Kashmiri chilies dried. You can use any other mild dried chili. Coconut vinegar, apple cider vinegar will also do. Cinnamon, tomato paste, black pepper, hot mustard powder, salt and vegetable oil. So I made my curry paste the day before. Absolutely marvellous. What you do is put all the wet ingredients in first, and slowly add the paste, the garlic, the gingers after, and just give it a zap until you get that right. So first thing up, I'm going to marinate my chicken. This has to be done 24 hours in advance. Right. Make sure you're mixing all of that inside the cavity. Get it really, really mucky, folks. Really mucky, right. Pop that aside. The onions. Make sure these layer nice and evenly all across the bottom, like so. Pop the chicken on top. Now, pour some nice, beautiful homemade chicken stock. You can buy it in a carton. Just I happen to make my own. Right, like so. Now you're good to go for tomorrow's lunch. I'm going to pop that, like so, yes, in my cast iron pot in the fridge for 24 hours. Look at that, folks. Right, pop this on the egg. I'm going to let the wood burn and bring the stock to the boil. Check this out, folks. Right, check the temperature. That's 30 degrees Celsius, which is about 86 degrees Fahrenheit. So we have a fair way to go, folks. That looks ready, folks. Look at that. Wow. Let's check the temperature. That's 85 degrees Celsius, which is 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect, my friends, perfect. Look at that. Bye-bye. That is marvellous, folks. My chief taste. That's it, folks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. You've got to try it at home. Thanks for watching. Bon appetit.